What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Palate, where you can find fast and easy to prepare home-cooked meals that are fresh and delicious. My name is Brian, and I used to own a gourmet food truck back in the heyday of street food. Our menu concept was melts. That's right. Glorified, yummy, gooey grilled cheese. All of that will come to you in time. Today, we're going to be creating a simple but tasty chicken soup. It's wintertime, guys. Let's get to it. Okay, now we've boiled our chicken soup with potato. We're just gonna add a couple condiments to our bowl here. This is some fresh from the raised bed parsley out back. I'm going to also add some, if I put it on the right setting here, some coarsely ground black pepper, just a little bit. And one ingredient that has made a lot of these basic soups on another level is something that is, I would say, uncommon outside Asian households. It has to be incorporated well into the soup so it can work its way and permeate throughout the cooking process. And that is fish sauce. This anchovy fish sauce has done real well with a lot of the soups that's as basic as this chicken soup here. Moving past that, we'll go ahead and give this a try. Awesome, guys. Hopefully you'll try this recipe. It's a real simple, not much effort, chicken soup with potato. Again, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Palate, and we'll see you next week. Take care.